In this video, we are going to use our calculators to generate a five-figure summary from a set of numbers, which you can see right there. First thing always to do is to make sure your calculator is clear of statistics. So to do that, we press Shift, Clear or 9, and then we're going to clear absolutely everything. So we select 3, and then it's asking us if we're sure. Yes, we are. So we're going to press equals, and we are going to press AC. Now we're ready to use statistics. But firstly, we've got to get into statistics mode, which is achieved by pressing mode and then 2 for stat or statistics. Okay, it's asking us what sort of statistics are we dealing with here, and it's one variable statistics. So we are going to select 1, and you'll see a little spreadsheet opens up, and now we can enter our data. So let's enter our data. 1 equals 4 equals 6 equals, and then I'll just carry on without saying it. 4 and once all your data's in, press AC. It's not going anywhere. It'll be lurking in the background in our statistics register. So now we can find some statistics for our table here, the 5-figure summary. So to do that, I've already started some actually, but we press Shift 1, and for a 5-figure summary, we need the min-max option. So we're going to use that a lot. So press 5. And it's asking us, what do you want? Well, we want the minimum score, which it's fairly obvious it's 1, isn't it? But if you had a larger data set, it might not be that obvious. So we'll press 1 for that and equals. And yep, we can confirm it is 1. I've already found Q1 and apparently it's 4, but just to show you how that happened, we go Shift, Stat, min-max again, remember, 5. And we want Q1, so it's option 3. 3 equals, and it's 4, so that's good. Q2 is also known as the median. So what do? We press Shift, Stat, min-max again, and you can see the median there is option 4. So 4 equals, and it's 10, as we already knew. Okay, Q3, Shift, Stat, min-max. Q3 is option 5 on our calculator, so 5 equals 15, so let's enter that, 15, and the maximum score, well, we know it's 18, but just to confirm from our calculator, Shift Stat 5 is min-max, and max is actually option 2 here, so it equals 18, as we can plainly see. All right, there are other statistics we can get from our calculator, of course, and one of them is the mean. And the other is the number of scores in our data set. We already know that's 10, by the way, just by counting up this number, but it can be a useful check. It's not foolproof, but it will give you some indication if you've made an error in data entry. So let's go ahead and find the mean. Now for that, Shift Stat as usual, nothing different there, but this is different. We need to select var, option 4 var for variance. So 4. And the mean is in statistics is known as X bar. We pronounce that X bar there, so it's option 2. So the mean of our data is 9.8. Let's put that in our little table. 9.8. And we already know that there's 10 scores, but let's just have a look. Shift, Stat, var. And we press N, which is going to tell us the number of scores in our data set. And it is, as we expect, 10. So that's how we generate a 5-figure summary and get the mean, as well as a check on our numbers in the data set from our Casio 82 calculator. In the next video, we'll look at how to enter data from a frequency distribution table.